Hi everyone, it's ThePlantaholic here. I thought I'd show you my shed that I've got in the garden. It's quite a nice sized shed. I've got my propagator in there, so I'll just show you inside. As you can see, it's a good sized area, and got a nice propagator in here which I bought last year from Garden Angels. Fantastic propagating. You can see it's got grow lights on there. It's got a good thermostat which you can actually control the temperature in there, the heated base. So depending on the type of seeds that you've got to propagate, you can see I've got mine set at 25 degrees at the moment. To change the setting, what you do is you just press that button there and you can either put the temperature up higher or lower, depending on what you want. Actually not working now. There we go, it's flashing, so I can change it now. There you go, so that will make it up to 26 of course, or you can go up to 30 I think. Yeah, 30. The lowest you can go is 5. So I'm just going to go back the other way now to put it back down to 25, which is what I want, and then just press that button again to set it, and it stops flashing, and it will just automatically keep the heated base to that temperature. So you see it's nice and humid in there at the moment. There's my the grow lights on the top. You don't have to buy it with grow lights. I wanted to because it meant I could actually put it in my shed in the dark, and it means I can actually propagate stuff all year round, even in the middle of winter. So fairly full in there at the moment. Got quite a lot of different seeds going on in there, and I'll just take the lids off in a second and show you what I've got in there. Okay, I'm the Plantaholic, and I'm just showing you what some of the seeds that I've got in my propagator. So it's getting quite full now. It's in April, so got a few things just starting to germinate. Always put dates on your labels when you sow seeds, because the first thing you want to know when they've germinated is how long did they take to germinate. Just noted my first Echium wild Prettii sown on the 8th of April is starting to germinate. Today is the 15th, so it's took a week for it to start to germinate. I've also got some Sonchus or tree dandelions. This is Sonchus fruticosus, also sown on the 8th of April, and you can see the germinating there. Can you see how the seed is actually growing there? I actually planted them that way up in the compost, so actually planted them that way up, so just pushing it into the compost, just how it is there, and I find that's how best to germinate them. I've got 3 actually that have germinated so far now. This one's Sonchus congestus, another tree dandelion, and I also just noticed I've got another one there, Sonchus palmensis. Those I bought from Mike Clifford in Dorset, and as I said before, he does have seeds for sale every year on Facebook, so do look out for him. I've got some phoenix palms, rupicolia, the cliff palm, in there in the propagator. I've got geranium madurense, tabibua argentea, which is a golden flowering tree, absolutely superb, which is tender. Some lobelia, some of the tender perennial lobelias, and 1 or 2 other things. In this shed, it has got heating in here, but I don't normally put the radiators on. I'm lucky to have radiators in here with a timer on, but I don't normally overwinter a lot of my plants in here. If I did, I'd obviously use that to keep it frost free. I don't think we have much frost in here anyway, to be honest, but most of my plants I overwinter in my conservatory and utility room. You may have seen the videos on that already, but yeah, so that's my shed. just in the bottom of my garden.